Next, what you see is now similar like a four-cylinder engine with a turbocharger here. Okay, so we are going to use a turbocharger, and we're going to see that the performance of the engine and other parameters. Okay, so you can see that intake manifold is given. Okay, and also you have the air filter for the air inlet, and basic that is further fed into the compressor, and have a turbo shaft here, and from that we have the turbine. Okay, that will be a single unit. You have the turbocharging unit, right? So basically it's going to be an this turbine is going to be driven by your air inlet from the manifold. Okay, and so this is how basically your EHR also works. Okay, and so you can see the turbine, and basically once again is it goes to ambient. You can see the four cylinders here, and also you have the injectors as you see, as you saw that model without the turbocharger, and you have the calculations and summaries whatever I have given, and also the measurement parts is there. Okay, so with this, the simulation is running right now, and it will take some time. You can one second. Okay. Still the execution is going on. It's a complicated process. Once again, it's not an easy one like the last model. So it takes some time for us to complete that. Okay, and as usually you execute this by clicking this the man who's running here, and from that we'll have some graphs. So right now I pause the video, and probably once I get the graphs, we can have a discussion on that. Yeah, you can see the live plots which is running right now along with that simulation. Okay, so you can see the turbine speed, that is basically for the turbocharging, the speed of your turbocharger turbine, and also you have the turbine drag graph is also there, and you can see that instantaneous torque and torque is given, everything is given. Okay, so it will take some time to finish. Once it is done, um, I'll just brief you about the other graphs. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your time.